General Nicolas Torre III are becoming extension 2 counts. First under former President PRRD, the other against former Executive Secretary Ned Aldea. Secondly, violation of RA 7438 for not allowing VP Sara to enter as counsel and as immediate family, and forcing former President Duterte's lawyers to leave him. Violation of 1319, allowing himself to be induced or persuaded to perform an act in violation of laws, regulations, and rules in connection with his official duty. Fourthly, grave misconduct and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of public servants.
Everything is okay lang yan. Makapal ang ating balat at yan ay kayang-kaya nating palampasin yan.
So, ayan mga Kahara TV, no? Sa ating napakinggan kang Senate Amy Marcos, at mapapakinggan din natin ang mga kasagutan ni Torre sa mga sinasabi ni Senate Amy Marcos. So, sa ating napakinggan, no, na may kinasuhan na si Torre sa kanyang mga nagawang mga kamalian nung siya ay nasa itaas pa. So ngayon, makikita natin sa kanyang kasagutan na parang okay lang, walang kaba, kayang-kayang lusutan daw, sabi pa niya. So kahit anong palusot pa yan, siguro hindi na yan kayang palusutan dahil klarong-klaro na at kitang-kita na. And yan lang po mga Kahara TV. Please subscribe and follow for my page. Thank you for